Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. So, yes, you can see what we're going to run. We're going to run Pocket Option Robot Alpha 1 Trader. You can download this robot also. Just use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. And yes, make sure you hit that like button. Yes, you hit that like button. And if you have any question, put them below the video. And if you're not a subscriber yet, and you like this type of videos, make sure you subscribe so you get all the updates from me. Also, make sure you join my free Forex Telegram channel. You find the link below the video for that also. But now, let's start up Alpha 1 Trader. And just like that, $215 profit. You can download this robot also, link below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.